Ever wonder why almost all taxis in Hong Kong are bright red? It's not just for the aesthetic. These red urban taxis are actually a masterclass in urban planning and branding. It all started in the 1970s. Bago yan, taxis were all sorts of colors and it was super chaotic. The government stepped in to regulate the industry. The red color was chosen specifically for the urban taxis. Bakit pula? Technically, it's the most visible color under different lighting conditions. Pero culturally, red is the color of luck and vitality in Chinese culture. Kaya naman, it became an instant icon of the city's energy. Having a uniform color makes them instantly recognizable. Turista ka man o local, you don't have to look for a sign. You just look for the red car. Efficiency is money here. The color coding actually prevents turf wars. Red taxis can go almost anywhere, while green of the new territories and blue of Lantau Island have strict boundaries. Clear rules, less traffic friction. It's part of the Hong Kong identity. Para silang red telephone boxes ng London. It's a symbol of Hong Kong's fast-paced, on-the-go lifestyle. Sa Manila, medyo halo-halo. We've seen them change from the old yellow airport vibes to the standard white we see now, and sometimes any color goes. The problem, since there's no strictly regulated iconic color, our taxis just look like regular private cars. Ang ending, madaling mag-blend in ang mga colorum operations. In Hong Kong, because the red is so specific, mahirap magpanggap. If we adapted a uniform, high-visibility color in Manila, it could help with safety and professionalizing the fleet. Imagine if all taxis were, let's say, a bright solar yellow or electric blue, which we see some brands are doing now. Uniformity creates trust and efficiency. Maybe it's time we gave our transport system a splash of color too. What color do you think would fit Manila? Comment below. Like and follow Vroom Media for more city secrets.